Mike V Power Hour. I apologize. Quite honestly, it's all Jose's fault. All right, listen. uh, Going back to some things that actually worked. Gee, I'm glad you're back in the room. What took calls and worked? What didn't? DCT. Drunken Millers won biggest position. Calls. Reddit worked. Calls going to the close yesterday. Okay, bottom line. All right, Bitcoin eyeing 104,000. Breaks 104,000 is going to 96,000. Listen, it's still stock picking, but we're talking in the room in TradeGateHub as more intelligent people coming back in here. No offense to that. I mean, no offense, Jane Norm. You and I are stock pickers. People like Gerard and coaching people, they're smart. Still stock picking. Keep in mind, this is the put call ratio, updated as of just 5 minutes ago. Okay, still in the mid. This is what I'm thinking. Things, the market seems a little bit more complacent. Yes, we are all aware of crude, and thank you for the new member in the room. Commodity trader too. Love commodity traders. I wish I could be a commodity trader. Ryan HH, oil 72 tested is. But you know what? It's the best of breeds have been actually following through. CRK has been the top 10 strongest stock, literally. SU, Apache is a letdown. Things like this are a letdown. I haven't looked at it lately. Stocks like Exxon actually leading the way. That's the daily. Chevron to the daily coming up to the 200-day resistance, if you will. Same with the weekly. So this is 149, 150. I'm not saying take a shot short it. It is at that proverbial whole number. EYEN getting halted. Stock was $2 24 hours ago, just at 8. Okay. Stock picking. Does it mean it's going to work overnight? Not sure. Am I going to take it? Not sure. Stocks that have been taking calls that still, it's changing from getting less aggressive to actually building a position and nibbling. JD. Okay. That's not broken yet. It's taking 2027 leaps, a lot of good, healthy ones. ARM is still taking leaps. It was taking leaps down here, 114. Pardon me. ALT taking calls, a minute. Whatever happening here, I'm in it. ALT. How many position shares is it? 2 million? By freaking 6,000 of the market. Actually, you know what? Did I get it? Anyway, CRWV. Is it when these two, CRCL and CRWV start to roll over? Does a stock like Meta finally go down? JD taking calls. As I said, let's get back into what's taking calls. Healthy ones. Next, top 5 in calls the past 6 months. What do I like this stock? I'm telling you guys, I'm not going to lie. Something's up with this thing. Such clean action. They try to take it down. Gee, somebody. I have a lot of it. 6 figures in the fund. For me, that's a lot. I don't know. ALT. Oh, they just killed me on this one. Did they buy it? I think I did buy it. By 5,000. All right, another one. FUTU. A lot of nice, healthy calls. The hardest thing to do is having a profit and letting it dissipate a little bit, if you will. Same one with Tiger Lily. You know what? If this was a little bit different, I'm not buying as much, even though the calls are just there. I'm not buying that much on the dip. Just not doing it. You know, Gerard brought up a good point coming back. Drones don't do it. He's right. Lockheed Martin. I get it. General Dynamics looks better, doesn't it? Doesn't GD look better, Gerard? G. All right, one's gonna go. They're all gonna go. Believe it's if it's a situation where it's the nuclear go and the oil goes, GD looks better, right? I don't know if the same church, different pew. You're smarter than me. I know they're both in defense. Instacart taking healthy calls down here. And you know what? I actually bought more of, believe it or not. I actually bought more Groupon today. Another stock with 2027. Yes, 2027. I bought it. If I was shorted, I'd be nervous. Obviously, everybody knows what happened with the solar stocks. We'll do that another time. We'll talk about that tomorrow. QUBT. You want to take money out of the market today? No problem. Here's the stock. We're all in it. My first post this morning, buying QUBT. Literally. After I say drive safely, you know that's what I do. Buying 1960 to 1940. QUBT. Let's look at the open. There you go. Nobody wanted it on the open, Mike V. Pounding this thing on the open. Got it as low as 1925. I'm selling it six the freaking half an hour later. All right. I'm still long a little bit now, but that was the point. Why did I pick that spot, you ask? You should be, it's not a matter of what if we're playing QEBT. If you're not aware of this right now, you got to take a step back and watch some more videos. Thank you, coach. Nice trade, coach. Hold on. All right, I'll talk about that in a second. Whatever that chart is, it caught my eye. QEBT. The question you should be asking is why did I pick that 1920? And when I know, I'll tell you. I'm kidding. Right here, 30-minute chart. It really goes to every. We really want to try it. 15-minute chart really does as well. This was the area right here. VWAP. See the volume bar? VWAP, whatever they call that thing. All right, next. Fizzler. SEDG gave it all back. Actually, on the high now. Here's a stock going up. WTF. What the F? Why aren't we in this thing? What the f? Why am I in this? There is me saying, what the F? I know this. They're going to take this thing up just because people are going to be like saying, what the FUCK? Watson Financial. All right. Above this 50-day. It's got it in it. Who knows? The RSI is only freaking 50. Another good short. Oh boy. These are nice charts, coach. You know what I mean? It's like when a girl walks by, some people attract you and some don't. Some you look at. Doesn't mean that everybody's attracted to the same people. Dale Pinkert, they call him coach, posting charts to the corner of my eye. It's catching me. An attractive looking chart is an attractive looking. Listen, something I'm not say. Boy, that's clean, right? That's the Dale Pinkert break and retake. And that was on what? The CAD. You're a good trader in that CAD, coach. Trade that well. Got whacked at the dentist yesterday. Now I got to get a new freaking washing machine. So I got to buy Whirlpool. Do something. Hedge somehow. What's Gene on? Gee, do you like General Dynamics over at Lockheed? Like I said, you're going to buy one, buy the other. But I think these type of days, these times, these algos, they like that type of moving average support. It doesn't really matter what they do. If it's testing some support, they'll buy it. Conversely, with resistance, it looks like Lockheed Martin has that. Doesn't mean it's not going to work. Refiners. This par. We'll look at Kunk. It's good. This par. Naturally, look at PBF. I was the only one. Me and Carlos Swim are literally only two people in the country buying PBF down there. MPC breaking out. PSX breaking out. You get it. Gee, you don't like being called out. Come on, man. Help me out here. I'm going to like myself because my mom said to like myself. It feels, listen, Gerard says something. Trump has good timing. He's right. He told you at the bottom, by the bottom. He's telling you right now something's up. Seems like nobody believes him. I don't know if this is the art of the deal. He's telling you what's happened. This is the VIX. Yeah, this came as just across the public Jesus feed. Okay, public feed. What does it say? Read it yourself. All right, Fed policy. All right, we get it. Rates. Tell me I could do better, please. Or less. I'm a minimalist. The ultimate sophistication is simplicity. After the close, lazy boy. I mean, that's no, I'm not only kidding. Nobody. What's today? Tuesday? Today's Tuesday. Nobody this week. At the end, Kroger. Couple of restaurants into the week. Couple of consumers. Darden, best of breed. All right, so we don't have to worry about earnings. Fed speak. It says bounce to me. I don't know about you. 4. Downtrend. 4. S&P goes up. We're in a downtrend. 4. S&P goes up. Downtrend 4. Trying to figure out numbers. But paint by numbers. Sixty minutes. Percent gainers in 60 minutes. Nothing. That's not good. Percent losers in 60 minutes. Bizzler. EYEN. Is that the one that we're all gonna jump over? The spot if you want to buy it. 635. $6.17 is a spot to buy us if you want to try. $6.17 is a spot if you want to try it. You know what I mean? Give and take a penny. It's a spot to buy us if you want. INDO, Jeff? I know I saw it today. I saw it. The XTIA popped in the morning. It was up like 200. Indonesia Energy. What do you want to cover? Jeff, don't tell me one of these kids that covered up their answers didn't let kids cheat off you. You're the first I heard about this INDO. Where'd you come up with this thing? Share. INDO. Weekly 200 day. 539. Weekly close. 520. The sweet spot is 520 to 539. All right, play this thing. Thanks, Jeff. There you go. All right. Here's what it is. Not getting the highlighter just because you didn't tell me soon. How about that? Put call still. That's the second put call ratio that Jesus has posted. So we're getting I don't know, one more of a rinse. This is wartime for crying out loud. ALT. I-800. What is this? My freaking 2100 more ALT. Is this thing going to work, ALT? Jeff, don't have you. CRK flying. Look at this CRK. Oils. Man, look at this CRK. I got this in the fund, thank God. Jable. What did I just buy? CRK. ALT. This has a shot. This has a shot. This has a chance. Shorting here. Beautiful. Ideal short setup. Beautiful. Keep shorting. Keep shorting. ALT. I gotta go to Croc here and find out the short interest. Doesn't matter. You're taking calls. I don't care if there's no short interest. Jeff Heiden's answers. Buying on the stock underneath the whole $90. I'm shocked. Doesn't matter. You're taking calls. I don't care if there's no. More XTI. Nice, Jeff. CRWV. There's more ALT. UIN. Did it get down? Better watch this thing. It's got the right word in it. Novia. Sounds like a bio. ALT. What is it? EYEN. This stock popped up too. What is this thing? EXL. What was he looking? Oh, iron ENDO. So look at Jabil. Jabil's the reason why a lot of techs was strong in the morning. Had earnings. Look at this thing. See it, the EMS stock. What goes with Jabil? Celestica. Why not buy that on the open? Stocks are positive. What's wrong with net here? You're trying to short net here. Look at net. A real freaking trader buys net right here. All-time high. Relative strength. Cool point. Cool point. Apps breaking high. Oh, see it. CLH. You know what actually died down? Pepsi. That Pepsi turned out to be a dog. Now all the Wujastics and everybody in the world are all in it. Apps. They're chasing this bitch. Bad. Into the close. They're running for it. They'll take whatever they can get if they're short. They're taking whatever they can get at apps. Stock used to be 800. Post split, pre-split. All right, a member of our crew. Keep it in mind, doesn't mean it works. Hims working on an inside day. So is Tem. Hims and Tem. What took Carl's early in the morning? Reddit. Oh, you know what? My BEKE. I'm in this thing. But you know what? Now it's a visit. Now it's a hold. BEKE. A lot of calls. They're buying more alt. Like V. Breaking the market cap of alt higher. This stock I'm I got bagged in. Now what do? Help. FTRE. Fortrea Holdings. It is a bio. Thank God. Actually, I wish it was an oil. Okay. Had the calls, and I took a lot of it. Actually, not a lot. 56,000. Actually, at the point, I took 28,000. Averaging down on that into low volume. Still taking calls. Coming to the 50-day. Jeff, buy my pain. G, buy my pain. I see who's on. For those that have a thinner skin, get on a demo. Buy my pain. FTRE. We like this one. It has calls. I never traded before. Been trading 29 years. I have been trading 29 years. Fact. There you go. And then I'd like to see the word accounting. That's bad. Anyway, I'm in that. Fine. 329. I'm going all the way through. Going through. Jose, check back at 359. I'm going all the way through. See the working on it some. No, I like INDO. INDO can fly. It's a great position. Got a good eye, Jeff. Telling you, you make me look bad. I've been doing this my whole life. I know what you did for a career. Actually, I have no ego. Who cares? You got to do that good eye. What happened here? Macy's, Abs, ALT, EYEN. This is the sweet spot for iron. All right, I'll do it. By 800, I'm in. You got me. I'll buy 400 at what I originally wanted to buy, 618. And if it works my way, 618, I'll buy 622. Net, I'm up in the position already. See, if I was sure to be against me, BEK, you're gonna have to let it go. I'm gonna have to let you go. I'm gonna have to let some of you go. I don't want to. I'm gonna have to let some of you go. INDO all over the board. I'm not tuned into this thing, or else I'd be long MXC. How about Mexico, Jeff? How about MXC? Mexico Energy. Does it have an I in it? No, Mexico. Leave out the I. It's not even Mexico. Weekly, Mexico Energy. I win. Now I'm a buyer. I'm a shareholder. Buy more. I see what you're doing. ALT at 12,000. It's worth the 12,000 share position. Where's INDO? Gotta put that thing here. I didn't want to get all this. Anyway. Caterpillar breaking down. Caterpillar break low. This is the list right here. Iron. What did I say? I liked it. I know where. What did I buy this? The executions. The lowest I got was 614. I'm going to 6. Oh, it's building up bids. Yeah. This is the. I see what's going on here. I wanted to get lower than 608. Oh, you know. FDRE. Should I go Lawrence Taylor, 56,000? Sorry for taking up your time on such a trivial situation, but something's developing. Now, this is what you want to see in the stock, no matter what the stock is. This type of chart, trend, sector, snow, and you want to see somebody back it up sitting there with another 600,000 going out till 2026. That's what you want to see, and that's what option flow means. Okay, not a weekly, not a guy saying, "Well, I think maybe Trump's going to come out with some news and buy Friday, a Friday weekly, pressing it." No, 2026. That's what you want to see. I'll leave it there. I'm not going all the way, at least not in the stock charts. Okay, maybe I am. Oh, hold on. Public Jesus feed, please. I'm not biased. I'm not even in the stock. There you go. Jose, well done. Tradeview Markets, behind the whole team.